Igor from ANTA here with another plumbing video for you. Got a classic service call that we get, which is a drain blockage. This one had no access to get at the drain, so I'm going to pull off the toilet. Just trying out some of that OD liquid lock. And here I am pulling up the old gasket, getting rid of it, prepping the area, pull out the camera, and I'm going to put it down the drain. We're going to see how far the blockage is away from this access point. So as soon as we get into the flange, you'll see the water's already holding. Everything is pretty much underwater for this whole run, so I have it super sped up just so we can get to the point of how far away it is, so that I know what to expect while I'm snaking. And I see it's about 39 feet away. Turn on the locator. Before I do clear it, I like to go and find the spot, just in case that when it gets cleared, you can't tell where the problem was. I did measure in advance at this time, but not every time's the same. So here I am using the rigid locator to find my camera, which is putting out a SON signal. It's showing me that it's just past the front wall. So I'm just looking around here to see if I can find at what point exactly, but it's about 4 or 5 feet past that front wall, so it's not giving me a good signal. So here we are zooming out to go outside. And once I'm outside, I can see that the problem is showing that it's right under the porch. Pull the camera out. Now it's time to get the problem cleared so we can take a look at it from the inside, see what's causing the issue. I've been using this new flex shaft tool that, well, new for me, from Customized Cameras. It's got a thicker cable on it than the rigid flex shaft, which, even being careful, I've broken a couple of now over the dozens, hundreds of uses of them. Problem's cleared, and we had some paper products stuck in a point, but not a lot, so I am interested to find out what the issue is. So we can see we have a copper drain converting now into a clay drain. This is an old building, still has the original drains in it. So Y connection into the main drain from the branch. Here we are going down it. And from before, we're expecting that problem to be somewhere about 35, 39 feet. There's a little bit of a dangling root there. You can see a bigger root blockage right here at 32. This is not where we were, but this is why it's good to measure before we go into snaking. This is the root that was ripped off from that spot. And this is where our problem was, which is inside of the building trap. It's an old system that older buildings had installed in them. Nowadays, we remove them to install an access clean out and usually put a backwater valve depending on if it's feasible for the location. Like if it's in the middle of a living room, maybe it's better to just put an access point or put it outside. So there's all these things that have to get considered. And now it's just quickly put the toilet on, and that's a wrap. Now we're going to quote them for the repairs.